Hello guys, this is Johnny from Dalton Hyundai. I want to show you guys some door settings on the 2025 Sonata N-Line. Alright guys, this is how you can access your door settings. You can swipe left here, go to setup, you're going to go to vehicle, you're going to go to door. As you can see here, you have automatically lock, which basically what it indicates is that when you put it on drive, it'll lock the doors. You have automatically unlock, meaning that when you put it in park, the doors are going to unlock. On your two press unlock, right now when you unlock with your fob once, it'll unlock the doors. With this option, when you unlock once, it'll only unlock the driver's side. And when you click twice, it'll unlock all the doors. You have smart trunk, which basically when you stand in the back for about 5 to 8 seconds, it'll automatically unlock the trunk. Here you have the setting to turn off or turn on your remote window control, which basically with your fob, you can bring down the windows so you can get ventilation before you actually get into the car. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, drop it below in the comments.